Margaret Graziano from Keen Alignment.
Train your managers how to be with people, how to understand who they are as human beings, why they come to work, and value that they're there. The second thing is people need to feel like they have a career path, like they're going somewhere, even if it's not up the ladder, that they're expanding their skill, they're expanding their capability, that they have a bright future.
I'm like, I'll be waving goodbye to you guys. See ya. I'm on my sailboat, cruising around the world. You have to become a person who has the courage, who can ask those tough questions and facilitate conversations with your hiring managers as if you were a $150 or $250 an hour paid consultant. Yep. If you get them to talk to you and each other, they won't talk behind your back. Gossip is the #1 form of communication in companies today. #1 form of communication is gossip. Gossip kills. It's like cancer. How about some folks over here? What do you? Yes, very good. Okay, ladies. What is the reason this role exists in our organization and how does it drive our strategy? Question. Okay, takeaway. Lady in orange, beautiful color.
I would agree. It's starting small. I feel overwhelmed. It's so big, I'll never get there.
Yeah.
And I need to roll it back and start small.
Yeah, and celebrate your successes and go get massages. Okay, back to this side. Ultimately, it's about preserving time, effort, and energy, making sure the right people are brought into the organization for the right reasons. Yep. What are you hearing? What's
Same as Angela, a lot of work.
What are your reasons people leave? And you only have a minute each, so go fast.
And last, what you need to do for retention is attach people's role to the purpose and the mission of why you're there. Everybody wants purpose and meaning in what they do. Every person, they want to feel, 1, like they're a human being, 2, that they have a positive future with you, and 3, like what they're doing matters. It makes a difference.
What I feel is this kind of groundswell.
It is a groundswell movement.
Nectar.
And we are all part of that.